Welcome all participants, and I hope you would have enjoyed the 2 days of the deliberations of my esteemed speakers who have presented their technical presentations on various aspects of O&M practices in our country. I also thank all the participants for bearing us in the technical glitches which normally keep happening in these virtual conferences, and I'm sure everybody would have enjoyed it. And I'm sure everybody is able to hear me. If everybody is able to hear me, can you please give me thumbs up from the below option? Yes, very good. So I'm clear with this now, and we will start with the further proceeding of the last session of the program, where we had announced for uh, yeah, we have announced for all the power plants, the coal and lignite power plants to showcase their performance, and we've received various nominations from uh, many plants from the across the country. Last 2 months, my team has been interacting with the power plants to get these nominations, and my jury has worked extremely very hard to get these formalities done. Now, proceeding further, I would keep announcing the name of the winners under the categories, and I would also request the participants who are available, which company I am announcing, to kindly raise their hand so that I can bring them to the dais and they can share their experience um to the other participants. Second, all these trophies will be physically dispatched from our office. We have been experiencing a lot of logistical issues in aspects of the during the lockdowns, but now we are seeing comfortable pace, as we had also projected that probably from first week of June we will have lockdown race in Bombay. The trophies have not reached my office yet. They are on the way, and they should reach us in a day or two. So the moment we reach the trophies reaches our office, we will send these trophies to respective power plants via speed post only. There may be a delay in receiving the trophies, but this recording of this particular session can be utilized to showcase your company that you have won the award if you are one of the winners. I would now proceed. The envelopes are with me, so I would proceed with announcing the categories and proceeding with the winners. The first category with me is Power Plant Performance Performer of the Year 2021, 500 megawatt in the lignite category. I'll reduce my camera low so that people can see I'm opening the envelopes here. I have two winners for this particular category. These are joint winners in this category, and the winners are GIPCL, Gujarat Industries Power Company Limited. Can I have somebody from GIPCL to raise their hands, please? By the time I see GIPCL to raise their hand, I would announce the second so that we can go very quick. I have, yes, I saw a raise hand. Singh Saab, Namaskar. I am giving the mic to Mr. N.K. Singh. Singh Saab,
Yes.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
So year on year, you are being the winner every year.
It is really pleasure to hear from you. And we are thankful to Mission Energy for organizing this wonderful event, and we are really thankful to the all attendance. And we'll try to maintain this tempo and achieve further.
Yes,
in
a
this.
wonderful plant in Gujarat, which the most cleanest plant which I have ever seen. Uh, Thank you, Singh Saab, for and very many congratulations for winning this trophy.
This has been recognized by Ministry of Environment and Forest also and Central Electricity Authority as a green and clean plant in thermal category.
Yes, yes,
And on the plant performance also, we are creating new benchmark for lignite and CFBC.
yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
I
you.
will try to see that the trophy reaches you at the earliest.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
This category also been won by JSW Energy Barmer. Gopesh Vijay. I think I just saw him giving the presentation.
Very good afternoon, sir, and thankful to Mission Energy Foundation. On behalf of my management, I am receiving this award, and I am very thankful to you. And it's a great pleasure that we are getting this award.
I also once again would like to say that we will not be able to give you the proofs or photographs this time, but these recordings can be used for showing your internal presentations.
Thank you, sir.
Gopalji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You may leave the stage. Now, moving further, I go to the next category, which is power plant performer. Power plant performer 2021 below 500 megawatt coal. And probably I have again two joint winners here. Let me announce OPGC Gita Power. Somebody there from Gita Power can raise their hand. And I would also request the winner Balco, Bharat Aluminium Company Limited. The winners for power plant performer 2021 below 500 megawatt in the category coal to raise their hand, Balco and OPGC. How do we search whether they are there? Yeah, I have from Korba, Mr. Prashant. I have provided the mic to him. Arunji, welcome.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Many congratulations.
Thank you for recognizing the work. It's been a pleasure. I'm for the first time representing Vedanta this year. It's been quite a interesting sessions in all the 2 days. Looking forward for the future participation also. It's Mr. Akshay has coordinated the entire sessions in a precise manner so that he doesn't miss the timelines. It's been really nice to know the fellow companions in the other disciplines also.
And
Thank you very much, sir.
You would also enjoyed the chats on the table also, the video conferencing facilities.
Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah. It's been a new forum. Technology doesn't suit our speed right now, you can say, because it's the network is a little bit lagging. Maybe in the due course of time, we'll be coming over this drawbacks in the next session.
Right.
Suppose.
I would also want to bring to your point that now the numbers of the corona cases have gone drastically low. The states are opening on various areas. There are restrictions on the travel is also reducing. So we are trying to figure out whether we can do a physical program in month of August, where we are talking about the environmental issue, which MOEF has been talking from years now.
Yes.
I'm talking about the same program, SOX and NOx, which we keep
Noxa,
organizing.
Sagna. Yes, 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 yes. Socks
So,
and Nox. That is the talk of the town right now, because the
right,
norms has been changed and revised, and again it is revised right now. Little
right,
bit relaxation has come from the MOF.
right. So I would like to understand the thoughts of the audience here, whether it's a good option to go for a physical program in end of August.
Uh, it depends on, I suppose, in state-wise, because the vaccination drive it just started in Chhattisgarh. I suppose it's
Yes.
not an offense actually. It depends on the availability of resources.
Yeah.
Uh, so maybe in Chhattisgarh might be in August if they are completing the second dose.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe people will be allowed to travel in other states. Actually, we have to see a little bit a month later. It is a
Mm-hmm.
good option. We can try because we are coming down drastically
Okay.
in the cases. Hopefully, we'll come. We will get past this also. It is not a, big thing. We are faced many things earlier, so this is also will be becoming a past thing to go on.
Yeah, in the pandemic times, we organized one program on fly ash at Goa, and we did not expected participants. We had huge number of participants, approximately 150 people participated during that period, and they
Yeah,
really
yeah,
enjoyed it.
yeah.
So
I came to know that. I've read the
yeah,
documents actually later only.
yeah, yeah.
I
So
wasn't aware of it. Later, I
uh,
came to know that.
So I would request the attendees to send me chats whether they are looking for or curious to attend, or if they are not wanting the dates of August. I'm talking about the last week of August, somewhere on 26th and 27th. So I would request the participants to give me few opinions in the chat so that we can try to see that if we can move forward or not. Yeah.
Yeah, sure,
And
sure, sure,
thanks,
sure.
Arunji,
Thank
for
you,
being with us,
thank
and
you.
congratulations once again.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Moving forward for the next category, uh, the same category which we are talking about, power plant performer of the year above 500 megawatt in the central sector, northern region. Uh, this goes to NTPC Dadri. NTPC Dadri, somebody available? Yeah, somebody raised the hand, but probably went away back. I have two people raising the hands. I can only take one by one. Shishirji,
Yes,
welcome.
sir. Yes, sir.
So you are one of the winners in the central sector for the northern region.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you,
Congratulations.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks very much. And I would like to thank you, Akshay, and Mission Energy Foundation for organizing such a great conference. We have been bombarded with knowledge of our sector, and in yesterday's session and is in today's session too. And we have really learned a lot. We have really learned a lot about how to overcome these challenges that are coming our way in our sector. So really, a very good conference, and thank you
If
to you.
NTPC Dadri is saying that we are learning from the face, then I'm sure the other units has to really improve their performances. Yeah.
No, our pleasure, sir.
I think I have your colleague, Mr. Kalsi, also raised his hand. Let me give this
Yes.
opportunity to join him also. Yes, Mr. Kalsi, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And thanks for Mission Energy to providing us this award. And thanks to NTPC management for giving us this opportunity to participate here. And yes, it was a very a good learning session for all of us, and so much of knowledge dissemination here. It's a very good platform. Thank you, sir.
You have joined Madam Ji from your office, or you're working from home?
So right now I'm working from home.
So I thank you for joining the session, working from the home, doing the course at home also, and handling your family as well. Thank you so much for being us.
Thank you, sir.
I also thank all the participants for giving me the permission yesterday and today that I was not available in the technical sessions as my wife had met an accident, but she's recovering well, and we did a hand-on surgery yesterday to implant rod in her leg. She's fine and she's healthy now. So I'll now further proceed to the next category, the same category which has been under above 500 megawatt, the power plant performer under coal, state sector for southern region. There are many plants in south. This is SCCL, Signary Colaris Company Limited. I think Kothagudam, na? Mr. Venu Gopal Rao. Rao Saab, I'm handing the mic to you.
Yeah, thank you, Khatri
Rao
Saab.
Saab, Vanakam. Yemi Bagunaru.
Yeah, Vanakkam is Tamil, it is Telugu. Namaste, Namaskaram is.
Namaskaram is my Tamil.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you, Khatri Saab and Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Akshay, and Mission Energy in particular for giving the opportunity and being also selected for one of the best in southern region. This certainly will keep us tempo going ahead in participating with various other programs, Mission Energy and other various organizations like this who encourage in thermal power plants. Finally, the motto is to encourage to perform better, and finally it will be it is to the development of the nation. That is a good many participants has also given their great ideas. We have noted down, and also you will be sharing that, and we will certainly take some. We have got already best experiences so that we can implement in our plan too.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks.
Let me move on further to the next category, power plant performer 2021, above 500 megawatt coal. This is under private sector for the eastern region, and this goes to somebody from Vedanta, a location called Jasurguda. Vedanta Jasurguda is the announced winner for the category Power Plant Performer 2021, above 500 megawatt coal, private sector, eastern region. Can I have somebody from Jasurguda, or should I move forward? Okay, I'm moving forward since I don't see anybody raising hand from Jasurguda, but I congratulate the Vedanta group for this. I announce Power Plant Performer 2021, above 500 megawatt under coal for private sector western region. I probably have few slips here, which I have a winner. I have two winners. This has been jointly. It was very tough because from last year to this year, I'm seeing the performance of the maintenance area has been improved drastically by various power plants. Here, I would like to proceed further with announcing the winner, which is Jaiprakash Power Ventures, JP Group. and DB Power Limited. I would request the representatives of DB Power and Jaiprakash. I have Mr. Dubey here. I'll take Mr. Dubey first.
Group.
Mr. Dubey is from JP, if I'm right.
Is audible?
Yes.
Sir, good evening. On behalf of JP Group, I am very thankful to Mission Energy. On behalf of my management, I am receiving this award. Thank you so much. It's
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I would now take Pratibha Pathak, who is joined from DB Power.
It's a very grateful moment for us. We are thanks to every member and Mr. G Foundation for selecting us for this award. And for Sir Ashwin sir, thanks for arranging today's very good session you have arranged, sir. And many things and many important points we have noted down from these speakers. And this was a session is really, sir, very useful for us. Thank you, sir, once again.
I hope you go back and implement the learnings.
Yes, sure.
I will now take Abhishek Agarwal, I think your colleague who has joined from the same plant. I can take only one person at a time. So, Pratibha, I take your leave from here. Yes, Abhishek.
First of all, I would like to thank Mission Energy Foundation for organizing such a beautiful program. Because in this time period, it is difficult for this, such type of programs to happen. So it is one of them. So definitely, we have taken some of the learnings which we could implement directly without any hesitation in our plants. So we will be doing that, and I would like to thank all the participants as well as the organizers for this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Abhishek ji. I look forward for your participation in future as well. I would like to request announce the runner-up for the same category, which we have one runner-up for this category as well. This goes to Jauba Power Limited. Somebody from Jauba Power can raise their hand, please. In the meantime, Jauba Power raises their hand. I would proceed further with the time limits of the program as well. I would announce the power plant performer 2021 above 500 megawatt coal. Is somebody from Jauba there? Yeah, Mr. Ranjan. Mukulji, welcome. I have the entire team there sitting. Namaskar to everyone.
Namaskar. We are thankful to Mission Energy that our efforts are recognized by Mission Energy, and our team is very young, and we are a small team, and we are happy to improve day by day, and coming years also will show our strength and performance. We are very much thankful to Mission Energy.
Do maintain social distancing, wear mask, stay at home.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll request everyone to have an empty seat between each of us.
Yes, I was sitting there only.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Now, moving forward, I would announce the next category, which is Power Plant Performer 2021 for above 500 megawatt coal, state sector, Western region. This category of award goes to one of these states which have just recently unlocked themselves as well, which is a PSU, and it's called Chhattisgarh State Power Corporation Generation Power Company Limited, CSPGCL. CSPGCL, the representatives of CSPGCL, please raise their hands. And I would request all the participants to keep your hands right on raising the hands button, and request everyone to raise their hands very quickly. I think I don't see anybody from. I see. I have two people. One, Mr. Vaidya. I'm handing the mic to Mr. J.K. Vaidya.
Yeah,
Ji,
Master,
namaskar.
thank you very much for considering us for this selection, sir. We are thankful to Mission Energy.
You deserved, so you got it.
Yes, sir.
You deserved, so you got it. You don't have to
No,
be
sir.
thankful to me.
Okay. Very much. The program is very learning for us, sir, and we will implement all the schemes and whatever things we have learned in this program to our station. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Welcome. Moving forward with this category. Power plant performer year 2021 above 500 megawatt coal. Central sector for the western region. I probably have 3 slips here. One winner. There's another winner. And there is a runner-up. So let me do this little change, and let me announce the runner-up first this time. The runner-up is NTPC Limited. I'll tell the location. Gandharvara. Gadarvara. How do I pronounce? Gadarvara. Mahendraji? Mahendraji, I hope I pronounced the location properly. Gadarvara, right?
Yes, sir. Gadawara hai, sir. ये MP नरसिंहपुर में है.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Being South Indian, little different for me to pronounce it, but I'm trying my best. So, congratulations for being the winner for the runner-up for this category.
Thank you very much, sir. We first time participate in Mission Energy Foundation award group, sir. Or events was very nice and very good. I personally call Rohit sir and appreciate the sharing of all knowledge on every attendant. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for appreciating us and my team. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I would announce the winner of these category. There are 2 locations of same company, and these companies are again the PSU, the largest power producer of our country, NTPC Limited. The locations are Korba and Sipat. I request the representative from Sipat and Korba to raise their hands, please. I have Mr. Verma from Sipat, Jaiprakash Verma ji. I have handed the mic to NTPC Sipat, and I'll request Korba to raise their hands quickly. Verma ji, congratulations. क्या बात है?
नमस्कार खत्री सर.
नमस्कार. Namaskar.
On behalf of NTPC Sipat family, I would like to thank Mission Energy Foundation for giving us opportunity to participate in this thermal power one day conference. Thank you for enlightening us through this forum. Many speakers has given enlightened about this thermal power sector. Thank you, sir. Thank you for judging us a winner in.
Thank you so much. Your colleague Korba is not available, or they have not raised their hand. So I will again move on to the next category and open the envelope for the next category. I think Korba should. This is the power plant performer of the year 2021 coal under CPP category cement. This is a cement plant who has a CPP plant, and the winner is JK Cement. JK Cement, please raise their hand. Majbuti ki jod. I think that's what their ad says. And now their plant also says. JK Cement, are you available? Let me move on to the next category. Power Plant Performer 2021 Captive Cogen Plant. There's a captive power plant, cogen plant, who is one of the winners, which is Reliance Industries Limited, RIL. Can I quickly search Reliance if somebody is there? I have a raised hand. Vikasji, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Many congratulations for being the winner.
Thank you. It's our great pleasure, sir, to participate in such a great conference. And we enjoyed a lot today's very techno-informative sessions. Thank you a lot.
Thank you so much. Now I will move on to the next category of CPP, coal CPP and the 500 megawatt. Oh, I have list of one runner-up. There is a joint runner-up winner, and probably there may be a joint winner also. Now the winner is Hindustan Zinc Chanderia and Hindustan Zinc Zawar. Both the captive power plants of Vedanta Group, the smelter plant, I think, and the Java mines. Hindustan Zinc Zawar and Hindustan Zinc Chanderia, can you please raise your hands? I have from Chittorgarh Vinod Jaroli.
Yeah.
You're from which location? You're from Chittorgarh.
Yeah, I am from Hindustan Zinc Chanderia, CPP.
Chanderia, okay.
And I am looking after overall CPP asset optimization.
Okay.
So I am accepting this award from Jawar also.
Okay, okay.
First of all, I want to thank Mission Energy for recognizing us for our efforts and what we have done throughout the year. And secondly, the main thing is that from last 2 days, I have attended so many techno information session that is very helpful for achieving better in future also. So thank a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Knowledge is for sharing, and we should share knowledge. I have the runner-up from your same company. The location is Dariba. Can I have somebody from Dariba, or Vinodji should accept?
Yes, sir, I'm accepting this.
You accepting from behalf of Dariba. So I have Kamlesh Sharma ji here.
Okay, Kamlesh.
Kamlesh ji, you're from Dariba. Yes, you are.
Now I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, yes. First of all, thanks Mission Energy to recognizing us and to conduct such kinds of technical based sessions which provide us very number of ideas which can improve the efficiency of plant and very good maintenance practices, which is the need of the hour in today's time. And yes, by choosing or by implementing these projects, definitely our COP and this carbon emission will definitely got reduced. So thanks once again to Mission Energy for this.
Thank you, Kamlesh ji, for being with us, and congratulations once again.
Yeah, thank you.
Let me call the second runner-up from here. This is a plant which was taken over from SR, which is ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India Limited. Can I have somebody from Mittal's group to raise their hands, please? If not, I will move to the next category in few seconds. Okay, let me move further with the power plant performer 2021 coal CPP above 500 megawatt, and this goes to Vedanta Jharsuguda once again. I think Vedanta I announced for one of the categories earlier also. Vedanta Limited, Jharsuguda. Can I have somebody from Vedanta Jharsuguda? No, let me move on to the next category. और होंगे
ये दो आई नहीं बनते सर हैंड आया एक हाथ आया तो चलेगा.
Somebody raised the hand and now went away. Should I wait for? Yeah, Abhishek Agarwal. Abhishek ji from Vedanta Limited.
Yes, actually, one of my colleagues was not able to join due to some engagement.
Okay.
So again, thanks a lot for this recognition. Thanks to the Mission Energy Foundation team and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with us. Now let me announce the next category, which is under the Service Provider of the Year O&M. Which goes to there is a winner and there is a joint winner. Somebody from Turbotech Engineers. Yeah, I have Mr. Chandran Idea. Let me hand the mic to him. Yes, Mr. Chandran. So congratulations for being winner, Chandran ji. Mr. Chandran, I have already given the mic to you. I think I'm losing connections with him because of his poor network. On his network, I could see red lines dangling. I'm losing his network. In the meantime, let me announce the next winner as well. This is KEPCO Plant Services. Somebody from KEPCO? I'm not able to hear you, Mr. Chandran, because your network is very poor.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Chandran.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for this award. We are very happy to receive this. We are very thankful to Mission Energy and yourself and Mr. Akshay. We are very happy for organizing this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I don't see KEPCO Power Plant, the Plant Services and Engineering Company Limited raising the hand. So I will move on to the next category. I think this is the last envelope which I will be opening for today's evening. And we will dismiss from here to meet you again physically next year at the conference which we will organize physically next year in Delhi. The service provider of the year under technology category goes to QA Testing Laboratories Private Limited. Is somebody there from QA Testing? Ratnesh Rai ji. Ratnesh ji, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And
Thank you
welcome.
very much, sir.
Thank you
very much, sir.
Thank you and congratulations.
I would like to thank Mission Energy for recognizing QA Testing Laboratory as a service provider, and thank you very much. We will. This session was very informative. My team has attended the complete session, and it was very informative, and it will be helpful in research and development for coal and coke processes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
With this, I will move on to close the evening, and I will wish for all the participants to share their experiences in the WhatsApp group, which will be open for some time. And I will request all the speakers to share their presentation directly to the audiences in the WhatsApp group, which they will enjoy. Tomorrow and then tomorrow we have another program which we are organizing specially for the cement plants, where we are talking about recovering the heat out of the waste heat to generate energy out of it. My team is working hard day in and out to reach everyone and share knowledge with everyone. With this, I would thank everyone and look forward for your participation in physical participation at SOX and NOX conference in month of August. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay at home. Keep safe distancing and do not go out of your home until it's required. Thank you so much. Good night.